Hey guys, welcome to day one of Chicago. So why am I here? So the main reason why I'm here is actually because of the Future Founders program. There's a program that I was part of back since the beginning of this year to help me build up Curanostics, but also get me a lot of connections. On the way there, let's talk about what Curanostics is. Curanostics is a platform that allows for you, as the individual, to pull your own medical records, but also help you consolidate that and simplify it so you can better understand, advocate, and manage your own health. So that's a little bit why I'm here. Because of the Future Founders program and our partnership with them, we've been really able to learn a lot about how to grow in the health tech space, also just how to grow in the actual startup ecosystem. We've also been able to learn a lot around how to actually monetize our product and go in and try to figure out how we can actually connect to the right people, learn a lot of marketing tips, as well as get connected with a lot of cool, interesting people.
When you build a business, build something that people need and not something that's fun to have.
Yeah, so this is the end of day one. I think it's just a good way to end out the day, just talking about a little bit of what we've kind of done. Overall, I think programming started at 3. We kind of focused on like just getting to know a lot of people, recording some content in the office, just talking about like why the program's there, why I'm trying to do this as well, what's the benefit with this, but also trying to go in and just meet a lot of people. Got a chance to talk to a lot of like the boot campers that went through the program back in the day, my current boot camp cohort, as well as kind of talk up to a lot of these alumni who kind of went to the space, who are kind of successful post-revenue types of focus companies, and get a lot of their insights on how we can kind of grow as well. I will pick up with you guys tomorrow.
And here we are.
Here we are, day 2. Yes, so this is the end of day 2. We basically got a chance to go down to the Cameo office, which was really interesting. Got to talk to Steven, I forgot his last name, but the CEO and founder of Cameo. So got a lot of insights about how, at least what we can go and do, and provide like some insights about how to change the mindsets of people. We're building a product that's kind of changing the mindsets of how you can kind of go in and figure out like, how do you change the norm about things, similar to how Cameo kind of did and about with like autographs and everything. So got a chance to do that. Got a really great opportunity to go do our last session with everyone in the group. Been able to kind of just do our last minute things of like talking about what we're doing, what our goals are, what we've done great about, as well as like what are some things that we learned that was really helpful for us for our growth. So yeah, I'm gonna take you around tomorrow for our last day, I think, and hopefully we can just kind of do a great celebration. Hey guys, welcome to day 3. It's our last day of programming, right? Shout out to Elizabeth. Woo! Hey guys, so this is the end of day 3, I think. So, I mean, it's start of the night, but it's going to be the end of the programming. We're going to see how it goes. And I mean, overall, we had a great time just meeting a couple other people in the field that are focusing on sales as well as finance, and got a lot of insights. Definitely was a great time on just talking to these people, getting more insights on how we can kind of expand the sales process for Curanostics for our B2C side, specifically in consumers, but also understand how we can do the financing part of getting everything set up properly, so whenever we do start getting paying customers, we can kind of take it from there onwards, and we don't need to worry about anything else.
Right now, we also had a quick leadership session, just talking about how you can be a better leader, just kind of internalizing a lot of things. And I definitely learned a lot on how to be a much better leader and what are the things that I need to work on, specifically self-care, as well as being a little bit more personally disciplined on my own things in life. So hopefully I can take that from the next level and just be able to take it from the just be better at it. But yeah, I think we're gonna go and head down to dinner in the next 5 minutes or so. And from there itself, who knows? The night might be great. It might take us somewhere. But if I do get a chance, I'll definitely record it for you guys.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Perlstein, and I'm working on an app called Easy Chef. It's an AI kitchen assistant app that helps transform the things in your fridge into meal options that you can realistically make from the ingredients you already have, because I believe that feeding yourself should be easy.
I'm Preston Joppa. I'm the founder of Joppa Enterprises. We're a engineering development company where we do consulting for other startups developing tech. I'm a mechatronics engineer, and I'm also developing our own tech called the Saucer, which is wearable tech that makes weightlifting safer and more effective by correcting posture in real time. I have always had a passion for creating new things, developing new technology, and I wanted to take that to a personal passion of mine, which is strength training and safety in the gym.
Hi, I'm Taja May. I have a luxury intimates company called Gal Etc. We produce hand-sewn silk intimates for just a delicate and elegant approach to your everyday intimate wear. It's kind of just a way for women to restructure the lingerie industry and make it for ourselves so we feel comfortable, confident, and sexy at the same time.
Hi, my name is Claire Kim. I am the co-founder of Cozy Cabbage. We make kimchi for everyone, adapting traditional kimchi to the American palate. We make Cozy Cabbage so that we can bring kimchi into your homes in a more friendly and fun way.
Hi everyone, my name is Annie Combs. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Eco-Conscious People-Centered Travel, or Easy Peasy Travel for short. And we're creating a dual-sided online marketplace, kind of like Expedia, where you can book vetted, responsible travel options that are not only better for people, but also for the planet. I absolutely love what I do because I'm passionate about travel, but after studying environmental science, I realized that there were definitely a lot of things wrong with the way we travel in general, but the industry has so much potential to do good. So I get up every day, I do what I love, I help people do what I love, and hopefully make the world a better place.
Hi, my name is Tirth, and I'm the CEO and founder of Amy Health. So Amy Health is basically a platform to help patients wayfind within big major hospitals. 85% of the patients approaching major hospitals ask for directions, and 30% of the first-time visitors end up getting lost. So we are trying to build Amy Health, which is like an indoor navigation platform, which will help patients, visitors, and hospital staff to not get lost in big hospitals. The reason why I'm doing this is that I came to this country a few years ago with my parents, and helping my parents navigate through complex healthcare system here in the US has inspired me to take on this initiative, which will make health and navigation through the American healthcare system way easier for patients who don't speak English.
Hi, my name is McCauburn Skelly, and I'm the founder and CEO of Men's. We are a period care company developing a menstrual cup and applicator that's as easy to insert and remove as a tampon. And the reason that I started working on this is because at the same time that I was studying biomedical engineering, my sister was struggling with heavy menstrual bleeding for 8 years, and it was very hard to watch her go through that struggle and not find a solution that worked for her. And so I started to build one of my own.
Hey, I'm Jean-Pierre Lem. I am the founder of Nestwise Co. We are making real estate investing accessible through fractional shares while having that community focus, which is predominantly focused on affordable housing. Part of the reason that I'm doing this is because I got to experience a lot of real estate. I got to work in property management, commercial real estate analysis, and even being a realtor, and so many other jobs in real estate. That was a lot of fun, but it showed a lot of disparities that exist in real estate investing. I mean, I got to see some amazing commercial real estate properties that are doing more than 20% returns for investors, but these investors were, of course, larger corporations and individuals that just had a lot of a higher tax bracket than the average person. So it's really my goal to make it so communities can truly invest within themselves, and we can kind of start paving the way for a smaller wealth gap. Here we are.
Hi, my name's Dolly, and I'm the founder of Academic Atlas. We're creating a search engine and a common application for youth opportunities. So you can go on and find all the different wonderful programs, whether it's anything from pre-vet to maybe you want to learn how to start your own business to, I don't know, doing a software engineering internship at Google. All these really cool programs. Our hope this year is we're piloting a common application for all of those different programs. So you can fill out one letter of rec, one transcript, all of that good stuff, and just kind of shoot your shot. So I decided to launch Academic Atlas while I was working at Caltech's admissions team. I realized that kids are applying to 3 to 5 programs, hoping to get into one. And once they did, these programs were absolutely life-changing. And I wanted to make sure other kids had an opportunity to apply and get into these as well.
That's the end of the trip. I want to give a special shout out to Chris, Scott, and the rest of the guys over at Future Founders for giving me the opportunity to come fly out and actually experience everything that happened on the trip, but also being able to meet some incredible founders during this whole trip itself. And if you guys want to see more content like this, definitely click on the subscribe button below. We'll definitely be making more stuff like this, as well as more of the usual content that you've been seeing, like our podcast and everything. So let us know what you would want to see in the next video in our comments, but also let us know what your favorite part is. All right, I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.